Welcome to India Sales. In this video, we will be giving you the live demo of MSME Udyog Aadhaar registration. Let us understand what is MSME or Udyog Aadhaar. Udyog Aadhaar is a government registration that is provided along with a recognition certificate and a unique number in order to certify the small medium business enterprises. MSME basically stands for micro, small and medium enterprises. Though this registration is not mandatory, but it is beneficial for the businesses as it provides a range of benefits such as eligibility for lower rates of interest, excise exemption schemes, tax subsidies, power tariff subsidies, capital investment subsidies and other supports. MSME are classified into two categories: manufacturing enterprises and service enterprises. Enterprises will be classified as micro, small or medium on the basis of the criteria given under the table. Now the question arises that who can get the Udyog Aadhaar registration? You can get the registration if you are having a proprietorship firm, partnership firm, limited liability partnership, that is LLP, any type of company, cooperative societies, any association of persons or HUF. If you fall under the category that we have mentioned under the MSME, then you can go for the Udyog Aadhaar registration. Now let's proceed with the live demo process. Visit the website udyogaadhaar.gov.in. Please assure yourself that you are visiting the government website. Now let's start with the process. First of all, you need to have the Aadhaar number if you are going to register on the MSME website. Enter your Aadhaar number over here and the name of entrepreneur whose Aadhaar you have entered. After entering Aadhaar number and name, click on Validate and Generate OTP. Enter the OTP that you have received on your mobile number. Please ensure that your mobile number is linked with the Aadhaar. After entering the OTP, click on Validate button. Now select your social category, that is general, SC, ST or OBC. Then you have to select the gender. Then you have to select whether you are physically handicapped or not. Then you have to enter the name of enterprise that you are going to have the MSME registration. Then you have to select the type of organization, which can be proprietary, HUF, partnership as we have discussed earlier. Then you have to enter the PAN number accordingly. If you are having a company, then the PAN of company. If you are proprietor, then the PAN of the individual, and accordingly. Then you have to enter the location of the plant, that is your office. Then you have to enter the official address. After entering this, enter the mobile number and email ID as you will receive OTP on this, so ensure that they are correct. Then you have to enter the date of commencement. Click on the calendar and select the date of commencement of your business. Then next comes the previous registrations, if any. If you have any registration, click on the same. Then you have to provide the bank details of the enterprise. You have to enter the IFSC code and the bank account number. Now select the major activity of the unit, whether it's manufacturing or services. Then you have to select the NIC code. You can write in the button over here whatever your activity is there and select the appropriate NIC code from the drop down menu. After selecting this, you have to select the NIC 4-digit code from the drop down menu available and then NIC 5-digit code in the similar manner and click on add activity. If you have more activities, then you can click on add more activities and add accordingly. Then the next thing is you have to select the number of persons employed. You have to enter the number of persons that you have employed in your enterprise. Then you have to enter the investment and the DIC will be automatically selected. Recheck all your information once again and click on the Submit button. When you will click on Submit button, you will see that you again have to enter the OTP that you have received on your mobile number and enter the captcha code present over here and click on the final Submit button. After clicking on this button, the registration certificate will be generated. After registering on the website, in this manner the certificate will be generated. Thank you so much for watching us. Do like our video if you like it and subscribe our channel for the latest updates.